Step 1. Make an intention to perform wudu and say Bismillah in the name of Allah before starting wudu. Step 2. Wash your hands. Use your left hand to wash your right hand. Do this 3 times. When you're finished, use your right hand to wash your left hand 3 times. Step 3. Take water into your mouth. Use your right hand to put water into your mouth. Swish it around in your cheeks. Do this 3 times. Step 4. Next, take some water in the cup of your left hand and use it to rinse your nose 3 times. Inhale a little water in your nose without taking it in too much as to cause choking. And then blow the water from your nose to clean it. Step 5. Wash your face 3 times, ensuring that your entire face is wet from your brow line to your chin. Bring both of your hands together to make a big cup. Fill it with water and then wash your face with it. Step 6. Wash your arms, beginning with your right arm from fingertips to your elbow. You must wash your arm 3 times, ensuring that no part of the arm is left dry. Repeat the same process with your left arm. Step 7. After washing your arms, shake your hand to remove the excess water and then bring your hand to your forehead. In a sweeping motion, wipe your hands through your hair from front to back and then back again to the front once. Afterward, bring your index finger to the ears to clean from the inside the ear. Step 8. The last step is to wash the feet 3 times, starting from the right foot's toenail to above the ankle. Each foot should be washed 3 times. Use your fingers to wipe away any dirt or grime from between your toes and repeat the same process for each foot. So guys, I hope you learned how to make wudu because there's going to be a Kahoot quiz later on. For now, Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.